Hi, so family. I am Delicious Favor. I'll be showing you how to draft a structure sleeve from start to finish. So click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So draft your basic sleeve. I am already cutting the front sleeve like so. So you go in by the sleeve by 3 inches, then you slash it out, okay? Like so, to the hem of the sleeve. So you open it up like so. And you're going to bring another pattern paper. So make sure you spread it wide, okay? So let the wideness be 4 inches, okay? And you place it on your paper, pin it down. I am Delicious Favor, your online sewing tutor. So click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the post notification bell because we post weekly. So you measure the sleeve cap. So I measure 6 inches. So that will be the length of the structure sleeve. So I'm pinning it with a pattern paper. So I'll do the same to the other side and pin it down like so. So I'll mark out that 6 inches because I measured that sleeve cap. The length is 6 inches. Then and the width of this thing is 4 inches. The width of the sleeve is 4 inches. So I connect it. So I'll do the same to the other side. So then I'll cut it out like so. Okay, so click the description box. You see the Milkmaid dress pattern tutorial and you can watch it. So this is it here. So I'm going to fold and I cut out the fabric like so. So I'm going to use my lining, use the main fabric to cut out the lining process. So this is how it should look like. So I'll fold it like so. So I'll sew it like this. I'm just showing you how it will look like after I have sewn it finish. Okay. So please share this tutorial and let me know your thought about this sewing tutorial. So this is the lining here. I'll place it right side facing each other. Then I'm going to sew on 1/2 inch all around the sleeve, all around the sleeve pattern. So I'll be telling you 3 ways on how you can learn fashion designing on a low budget, okay? So you can just go to your YouTube tutorials, then you click on the topic you want to learn. You search it. Like now, if you want to how to sew a corset, you can just click on the YouTube search bar how to sew a corset. Then you see so many tutorials there. Then you just you can type and search. Then you choose anyone that you know that suits your sewing style, okay, and ensure that you get a pattern paper and sewing item. So I've already finished sewing it, the lining. Then what I'll do is you go to your ironing table and you iron it, then you place it together, you sew. I've already sewn it like so. Then I'm going to fold it and sew it like so. So I'll turn it to the other side also to sew it. So I've already sewn that structure sleeve. So after you sew it, you flip it to the wrong side like so. This is the inside. Then you sew just quarter of an inch. Sew it all the way to the end like so. So get your cheap fabric. You can get Ankara. Ankara is very cheap. You can get 6 yards. 6 yards is like 4,000. Get wording, soft wording, or if you can afford a bra cup, you can get a bra cup and everything. And lining. Then you can just start practicing it with the tutorial you learned on YouTube or any free tutorial you see on Instagram and Facebook. Okay, you can learn from there. So what you do that even if you did not get it in the first instant, you can retry it again. You can try like 3 to 4 times. You will see that you will learn it. So I've sewn the top, then I will hem it by double folding the hem and sew it all the way to the end like so. So everything is not upgrading. Sometimes it's practicing is all you need to be able to get a particular style. Even if you not get it in the first instances, you can try it 2 or 3 times. Once you have done it the second time, the third time you already know it offhand. Okay, so you can learn anything. YouTube is there. Once, just what you need is just time to practice. Put in the work to practice. Okay. So once you do it first, second, third time, you are already good at what you already learn it just free without you not paying money. So I'm already attaching it to my dress. Okay, I'm sewing on 1/2 inch all the way around, like so. So you just sew the sleeve all around your dress, right side facing right side. Then you use your bias to close the rough edges. Okay, so you can also enroll in an online class. You can get an affordable online class. You enroll, register, make sure you dedicate yourself to download videos and put in the work. Do you know that if you learn free by watching YouTube tutorial video and you are practicing, you'll be far better than those that pay money to learn and are not even practicing? You will be ahead of them. So it's not by money, it's by you working towards your goal. So set out time to practice. Pick 2 or 3 style that you can learn for a month. Then you get the materials that you are going to use to learn that tutorials. So once you get the materials, then you can start practicing on the style. Even if you did not get it in the first time, practice again. Keep practicing till you are finally satisfied with your outcome. Okay, so here is the sleeve here. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please share this tutorial so others can also learn, and please hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel.